Thai Vintage Dry Red Wine, General Manager of Century Pacific Marketing, Mr. Fong Teck Mon.
茅台最佳性格小姐。
Next up is the Miss Mao Tai personality, and for this, can we invite our presenter,
Group CEO of Century Pacific Marketing, member of Silk Plus Investments Private Limited, Mr. Charles Ong.
Mr. Charles On. Please come on stage to give out this title.
好啦，究竟咧茅台最佳性格小姐係屬於邊位咧？1、2、3 ，Number
14 from Sarawak, the sole rep from Sarawak, Miss Shirley Su. What does she win, huh?
恭喜晒14歲嘅 Shirley Su， 佢會得到現金獎300 ringgit 一瓶嘅 Mao Tai Dry Vintage Red Wine 肩帶同埋鮮花。
She wins 300 ringgit, 1 bottle of Mao Tai Dry Vintage Red Wine, sash, and a flower bouquet.
And thank you, Mr. Ong.